Agents, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today episode we got this cool movement right here, and basically what this is a high quality chef knife. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. But first thing I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So definitely love the way how they designed the packaging. It looks very nice. But once you guys take this part out and open it up, this is what the inside looks like. So they provide guys a little booklet right here to tell you guys about all the knives that they have. Right here, it looks like they provide guys a little cover for the knife. So that way you can put it inside right here for protection. And then the very bottom right here, we do have the actual knife. So let's take it out. So you see the way how they designed the product actually looks super high quality and everything. Let's take off the wrapper as well. Alright, so once you guys take out the knife, this is what the knife looks like. You can see it's actually really sharp. So you definitely want to be careful when you guys handle it. So for this chef knife right here, it is 8-inch. And this is under like the Shogun series. You can see the way how they designed the blade right here is like a hammer design. But like I mentioned, this part right here is actually really sharp. You can definitely see how sharp the knife is on here. So you definitely want to be careful and handle with care. If you guys look at it from this angle right here, you guys can definitely see how sharp it is as well. And in terms of the way how they designed the handle is actually really cool right here. It actually has a very good and comfortable feeling when you guys grip it. They mentioned the material that they use on here is a Japanese VG10 steel core. So that way the product has a good edge retention. It also makes the knife corrosion resistant as well. And I'm not sure if you can see in the bottom right here, they also have the little logo or brand logo as well, which is kind of cool. And definitely the hardness on the knife is actually pretty good if it's in here. So just to show you guys one more test of the actual product when you guys cut stuff. It's definitely really sharp, so you definitely want to be careful when you guys handle it like I mentioned. So the way how they designed this knife is mainly for you guys to slice stuff on here. It's probably not ideal for you guys to like chop stuff on here because it might damage the actual blade on the sharpness on here. So let's say when you guys are done using it, you guys can probably just put it inside right here like this. Do it slowly, so that way you guys don't have to hurt yourself. Once you guys put it in, this is what the product looks like. So that way you definitely have the protection on here once you guys put it in. And then once you guys are ready to use it, you can pull it out really easy like this. And take your time when you guys do as well. And if you guys look a little bit carefully right here, they have the brand logo and they tell you guys the material that they use on here as well. So that is everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this chef knife right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality chef knife that has a hammer design on here and Japanese steel and everything else I mentioned. That would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.